is going to mind you. Public hospital for that matter. And all these things, you see a health minister who is only concerned about TikTok, about content creation. One thing that has happened, I hear helicopter crash with that we are all grieving. We were all grieving. No? Health minister Nkwandie as so who camera now yen nim san star bi now nante to say obi piano from the back or untimi kire. Meanwhile, pregnant women and mothers who have delivered are stranded at the various hospitals because of Muniska. And these are the things that I'm expecting health minister to quickly be addressing. If someone goes to the hospital now or it goes to give birth now on his car, there should be a way out that the state will intervene. This is what Akufo did not want. This is what Akufo did not want. This is what Dr. Bamia did not want. And Akufo-Addo, Dr. Bamia. You go to the hospital, you are going to give birth, and you know that you are, after giving birth, all you need is good health, and you are going back home. What is changing? What has changed? Just 8 months. You say, why are people staying in the hospital for 2 months because they don't have money? What is happening? Where is social welfare in all of this? Social welfare no ewahe. And the 8 months of John Mahama, say no social welfare no kranu enya effective biom. Aden. They have harbored money. They are so much trying hard to prevent themselves from releasing money into things that will help the citizens, so that they can claim they are working on the exchange rate. And now look at what is happening. Those days, if someone goes to the hospital and doesn't have money, after some time, social welfare has to intervene. So why would someone go and give birth and because of money, stay in the hospital for 6 weeks, 7 weeks? Why? This is Ghana. This is Ghana 2025 that I'm talking about. And the news item is on City TV. You can go and see. This is Ghana. Why how have we become this way? Why has our nation become this way? Just 8 months. And 8 months near the and the 2 years, what is going to happen? Recently, I was told, say, family planning, 3 months that we give to the women when they come to the public health unit. 3 months, the depot. Shortage of depot. Just this past 8 months. So. Family planning crampono shortage ebini. Family planning no ebini. 8 months mponi. They are not spending. They are not investing into the health of the people, and that is why you see projects like Agenda 111 is on hold. And people are stranded. People still have to leave long places just to go and access healthcare. And if you are not careful, if you are not lucky, by the time you even reach your destination, how will? Yeah. By the time you reach your destination, you are gone. Why? Because we have voted for a government that does not value healthcare. The government does not value healthcare. This government per se does not value healthcare. And this is where we are. We are happy. When is happening to everybody, we are happy, we are quiet. We are quiet. I just hope that all the people who are suffering from these things, those of you who are going to give birth and are not able to get money, those of you who are going for family planning, they are telling you that there's shortage of depot and the others. I just pray that in 2028 you will reason up. I just pray that in 2028 you will reason up. Very, very important. God be that say yes, Ghanaians were happy. When is happening to everybody now. You see that it's sad. Because if you have stayed in a hospital environment, even those of us who were trained to work in a hospital environment, they will tell you that depression can easily catch you, because sometimes the smell of all those items that are being used, chemicals that are being used, sometimes it's not really funny. So for you to go and give birth and then you have to stay there because you don't have money, and some people have to run away. Yes, some of the mothers, some of the women who have just freshly given birth, they have to run away from the hospital. They have to abscond. Because they don't have money. And these were the people who were saying that we can pay for school fees. We don't need free senior high school. And the president also does not care. And here we are. So that is one of the things that is happening right now in Ghana that very sad. I thought you should also know. And this is what Ghanaians have opted for. It is their choice. This is what they have. This is what we want. Is this why we sacked MPP out of power? To be here, to be taken back to Egypt? Because we were almost reaching our promised land. Yeah. We were almost reaching our promised land. And these people have managed to deceive us and take us back to Egypt under the leadership of Pharaoh. And Pharaoh, as we have right now, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, or a Pharaoh. No freedom of speech, no freedom of expression. The same thing they did that we kept quiet over. Same thing is being done to them. They are shouting as though they have never heard sound before. Shouting. Now let's go to the weaponization of the media.
Bɛkum and the Dr. Entry to be saying the investigations are going to delve into a lot more. Personally, given that he had flown on the 2nd from Takoradi to Accra, I have no reason to think that he was in a certain state of mind or he was so exhausted, so tired that he probably couldn't fly this mission. By the way, the Air Force have something they call aeronautical decision-making. Professor Jambo calls one of his staff, I want you to go ABCD. The person is at liberty to say, oh, Prof, I beg you, my wife is not well. I want to take time to do so and so. But if the person accepts, the decision to plan the mission, fly the mission, control the mission, land at the designated place is the responsibility of the pilot, aeronautically, with no interferences from anywhere. The only people who can interfere will be air traffic control, an Air Force base, to say that and that, this and that. And, because he was flying controlled. Visual, as I said, it's special visual flight rules. So Air Force Base and the tower at Accra could, give him, or even Kumasi, could tell him to do certain things or not to do certain things. But nobody else, the ministers on the flight, those on the ground at Obuasi, nobody else could take any decision and ask him to change and go and land here. In fact, if he had reached Obuasi, per practice, he would have circled Obuasi, where he had been before, but still circled to find out where Longley Sports Stadium is, where they said he must now change to somewhere else, I don't know. Before he is sure that, okay, I'm going to land at this place or that. I want Ghanaians to, believe that it's not the devil who came, and caught him, whatever it is, or the sabotage is possible. Fortunately, Sikama is not like Boku, excuse me. If this plane had crashed at Boku, one of the assumptions would be that it was brought down, it could have been brought down by hostile fire. So as early as possible, as Prof said, they will eliminate this conspiracy theory of somebody firing at the plane. But if indeed they find evidence that it was brought down, then they will dig further into that. And that probably will be the angle where he said the BNI, NIB, all these people will get on the ground and CID, put their ears to the ground and see whether they can hear anything. Ghanaians, the team, Wing Commander Anala was very, very competent and skilled to fly that plane. And that he might not have been so overwhelmed by flying that he couldn't take the right decisions or whatever it is. But everything else will still be confirmed by the investigators.
I see. And Mr. Banto, still from this perspective, because you hear the Deputy Defense Minister talk about the investigation being made public so the citizens or the public gets to know every step of the way what happened. Now we are learning that all things being equal, it could be a whole year period. That's all things being equal. It could be more. How should the citizens be carried along to understand that